All right, so Justin, I ordered these it's been about 2 months now. The new Meta Ray-Ban displays. So you can't just order them, or at least you couldn't back then. You have to book a demonstration and go learn how to use them. And then they'll place your order for you. And it took about 8 weeks for them to arrive. So
I remember you mentioning it.
so here's the case. And let's see.
But what are you hoping these are going to do for you, Ethan?
Well, make me look cool and have something to talk about. They're $800, so they're not cheap.
Yeah.
And I like the current. I have the current version, and I basically use them as a camera on the go. So as the new ones, so they still have the
Yeah.
built-in cameras,
Yeah.
and they have the built-in where you can talk to AI. So when I'm on the go, like especially if I'm on a run or something, then I don't have to pull out my phone. I could just like record what I'm seeing. So point of view, camera recording and photos, being able to just ask AI a question. Like I haven't activated these yet, but I could just say, "Hey Meta," and ask whatever question, like I'm talking to Chat GPT. But these new display ones, they come with a band. So this is really a really cool feature that I wish I had on the other ones. Is that you can't zoom in on anything,
Uh,
on the camera. But with these new ones, it comes with this band,
yeah.
and it allows you to turn your wrist, and you can zoom. You have a display now that you see at the corner in the corner of your eye, and I can zoom in on a photo, and then just like click my fingers together and take the photo. It's really
That's
cool. And you could
They do
a
look
little
cool, by the
menu
way.
pops up. Oh, thank
Yeah,
you.
and your IQ's gone up. Your IQ's gone up since you put those
Yeah.
on as well.
I'm trying to look as smart as you, Justin. So we both need to have on glasses here. So we both, but yeah, it's really cool. Oh, and it also has a disp I'll probably find this useful because I find myself in different cities walking around and I don't know where I'm going and I don't want to have my phone out looking at directions.
Mm.
That's what happened to me in Cape Town. I got
I
my phone
remember that.
stolen. Yeah. Well, I'll probably get these stolen if I were there too. But it has a heads up display so that if when you're walking, you see a map and it's telling you the directions in your ear because these have little speakers right here.
Okay.
So you can listen to music, you can listen to turn by turn directions, podcasts, whatever. You can interact with it. But it's really cool to be walking and you see a little map. So it's like you're navigating in the car, except you're getting that
Yeah.
while you're walking.
All
So
right.
yeah,
I
I'm excited about it.
Yeah, I'm excited about them too. You're gonna have to report back and tell us the first major use case that you used them for, what it was, and how you're finding the product. Because we've done the unboxing now, but you're gonna have to give us a little bit more next time, I think.
Yeah, for sure. Here's the
Oh, there's the
band.
band.
Yeah, I'll definitely report back. Yeah, I will definitely report back and tell you real world use cases. Are you a fan of smart glasses? You have them on your list or no?
I don't really like. I'm not a massive techie and tech ed, so there are a lot of these things that I just don't worry about too much. But maybe those are getting to the stage where they were. There we go. There's the band. Looks like a whoop.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. But those are great, and that's why I'm curious to hear what the use case is and what you really find, because what you described makes sense. But I'm curious if there's something else that comes up that you're like, man, I did not think about that. I didn't buy them for this, but this has been
Yeah,
a game changer. This has changed my life.
yeah, yeah. I'll
I don't know
definitely
what that
report
could be.
back on that. But I'm
All
definitely an
right.
early adopter on it, and I think we'll see more of these on the marketplace from
Yeah,
different brands, different styles. I
I
think it's
think
it's
so.
the next interface.
Yeah, amazing.
All right,
Thanks for
all right,
taking us
cool.
on the unboxing journey.
All right, see you later,
Thanks, Ethan.
Justin.
Cheers.